Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shelly Live Life, and I'm back with another video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you will be the first one to be notified anytime I post a new video. Right now, people, late night snack. I'm feel like for do a video. I'm gonna make some blend up, yeah, with some peanut, some sunflower seed. I'm gonna show you a lot of things. So I'm gonna just show you. Don't mind my head because at night I'm gonna feel like to do it. Okay, so don't mind the head, people. Don't mind it. Tie it down. So right now we're gonna start, and I will show you what I'm gonna do. Okay. Yes, people. So as you can see, we have the ice, evaporated milk, we have cow's milk, which is a sweet milk, yeah, vanilla, Guinness, nutmeg, egg, cinnamon, little peanut. We still have that tin one here. Me I go put use it because I have it. Why use it? And the sunflower seed, little milk. Yeah. So I'm gonna throw some water in this, some cold water in the blender. Okay, so let's get into the video. The first thing, people, I'm gonna add the ice with some water. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little water. That's about it, about half cup. Now I'm gonna add the pumpkin seed. Next, I'm going to be adding the peanut. Next, I'll be adding the sunflower seed. Okay, I don't add all of it, people. Add some more peanut. Yes, I want it to be a nut, very nutty. Next, I'll be adding the vanilla, just a little touch. Next, I'll be adding the nutmeg extract, a little touch. Yes. Cinnamon, little touch of cinnamon extract. Next, the Guinness. Guys, I'm gonna add all the Guinness in it, okay? Next step, I will be adding the condensed milk, okay? That give it the little sweetness. So I'm gonna pour that in it. I would say I'd pour all of it in it. So my next step, I'll be adding the Gloria milk, the evaporated milk in it. Sorry. Okay, so evaporated milk. Next, I'll be adding Lascala soy, people. I'll be adding some Lascala soy, powdered milk. Anything of your choice, I could add vanilla or so, but I'm adding that to it. Next, I'll mix a little, stir a little. I'm gonna also add some oats to it, but not a lot of oats. Don't want a lot of oats in it because I don't want it to get too thick. And this is the oats that I'm using. I'm not sponsored. All the things that I'm putting here, I'm not sponsored. I just feel like to use them and show them when I use. Okay. So I gotta add some molasses to it. I'm gonna add the molasses. And I think that's about it. Also gonna put a little honey in it. I don't have a lot, so I'm just gonna add what I have, a little honey, and I'll just put it in it. And enough, people. So now we are gonna blend. Ready? Let us go. Okay, I'm gonna add some more sunflower seed. I'm just gonna use all of it. It actually finished, people. I'm just add that to it. Kind of make no sense me save it. Should I add some more peanut? Okay, so guys, I finished blending it. So this is how it looking, people. It's nice. This is the finished product. This is it. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Let us try it, okay? Let us do a taste, and I'll tell you exactly how it tastes. Okay, guys, I'm gonna taste. Mm. People, not too sweet, not too sweet. It's just right. Flavors in it, everything in it. Cheers to you. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss a video from me. Mm. 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 People, later I'm gonna enjoy this. Candy pan this right now. Bye.